Satyabama Institute of Science and Technology, ranked among India's top 50 universities in the NIRF ranking for the fourth consecutive year. Admission in progress.
Me and Surya sir, we ended up having a very good bond. He's a very tough competitor, If I'm putting 100%, Surya sir was actually putting 1000% because he's not taking one step back. From this particular project, I would say the scene where the flight is taking off and sir has his eyes filled with tears.
Exactly.
That was like, sir's eyes is like something very expressive. I mean, everything comes from there. The power comes from there. I keep saying that you have wonderful eyes.
What are the few qualities that you have observed in Surya sir?
See, qualities is something that the person is highly positive. You'll never hear one word from him, that is going to make you feel low or going to make you feel negative. When you speak to him, you'll always feel that there is a lot of hope in life. There's a lot that we can achieve in life. I told him a couple of times that you're one boss who never bosses. So that's like one unique quality. He would make you feel a part of his family.
How was this whole young look made possible?
Everyone knows about his love for fitness. For him, fitness is not something that is only project based. It's a part of his life.
It's a lifestyle.
Yes, that's a lifestyle for him. There is a reason for his success, right? So it's just because you're so disciplined. It's not a task.
Hi, hello, and welcome to all the India Glitz viewers out there. This is BJ. And இன்னைக்கு வந்து நம்ம கூட we have with us legends trainer அப்படின்னு சொல்லலாம். இப்போ ரீசெண்டா வந்து நிறைய பேர் சூரிய போட்டரோட மேக்கிங் வீடியோல அவரோட ஒர்க் அவுட் எவ்வளவு டஃபா இருக்கு அப்படின்னு பார்த்திருப்பீங்க. அதுல பேசின ஒருத்தர் யாரு அப்படிங்கிறதும் இப்போ நீங்க ஸ்கிரீன்ல பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கீங்க. அண்ட் ஆல்சோ ஒன் மோர் அப்படின்னு எக்ஸ்ட்ரா புஷ், அதாவது சூர்யா அவர்களுக்கு இருக்க டிட்டர்மினேஷனை தாண்டி ஒன் எக்ஸ்ட்ரா புஷ் கொடுத்த அந்த ஒரு பர்சன் தான் இன்னைக்கு நம்ம கூட இருக்காரு. லெட்ஸ் வெல்கம் ஹிஸ் ட்ரெய்னர் நிர்மல் நாயர் டு தி ஷோ. Hello and welcome. எப்படி இருக்கீங்க?
I'm doing good, brother. Thank you so very much. And hello to everyone. And thanks for this lovely introduction, bro. It's really good. And thanks for having me here.
After the teaser, it was very widely spoken that Surya sir's made something really different in this film. His look was totally different. The young 19-year-old boy look. How this all happened?
To be very honest, there was no confusion or we never had a doubt. No, because I've been working with sir from the time
3-4
NGK
films.
project. Yeah, it's from NGK.
Yeah.
So I've been traveling with sir to every place where sir was shooting. So be it throughout NGK and during Kapan and then to Surya Report. So with me and Surya sir, we ended up having a very good bond. So I know exactly how things can change with him. I have better understanding of his body, his metabolism, and I really understand it very well. That how hard sir can work, when it seriously, becomes tough. So he's a very tough competitor, Once you tell him that, sir, this is what we need to do, he will never question you back that, can I do something less? Can I do this? Can I do that? If this has to be done, it has to be done. That's how it has always been. It was really tough on him, but he never, came back complaining or he never told me that, Nirmal, no, this is becoming difficult for me. I can't do this. I can't do that. So, when you have someone like this, on the other side, if I'm putting 100%, Surya sir was actually putting 1000%. So it gives you that extra thing that we need to do it more because he is not taking one step back. So it was difficult, but no, it was not impossible at all. I mean, we never had that feeling.
And how is it possible? Because even Sudha ma'am told in that making video that I thought he's going to lose weight. Okay, fine, everything is fine. But it was really amazing when I saw that his skin is all very fresh. How was that possible? How was this whole young look made possible?
To be very honest, I mean, we never got into any kind of crash dieting, okay? You will see a lot of things happening where you would hear people stopping water, stopping salt.
Yeah, we've heard.
No, we never did that. Everything was measured. Everything was targeted. Looking at what are we looking next. Surya sir is a person, even before I could come here, everyone knows about his love for fitness. For him, fitness is not something that is only project based. It's a part of his life.
It's a lifestyle.
Yes, that's a lifestyle for him. He wants to train. He wants to eat good. He doesn't want to eat anything which is not good for his health. He's very careful about those things. I mean, you can say, there is a reason for his success, right? So it's just because, you're so disciplined. No, it's not a task.
So it's like something very organic. We can call that?
Yes. It was absolutely organic. And as I said, the only difficult part was we didn't have breaks. We were doing back-to-back projects and we had back-to-back travel. So that was the only tough part. But as I said, it was me and Surya sir. It's like my elder brother. So I know I can go up and tell him that no, sir, we need to do this. We need to do this. And I was that comfort I was offered. So it was never difficult for me to try and be
Flexibility.
with hesitant. Yeah, that he gave me that flexibility from day one. That's the best part.
I think that's wonderful. Even the time schedules, as you said, from movie to movie is another thing. But in this movie, Sudha ma'am told in the video that in Madurai, I don't know how we're not even in some other place, but in Madurai, it was like I was pretty much held up with my work. And there's this guy who's working all the time apart from the time he has to shoot. So how is that possible?
See, to be very honest, we were not getting time, but we had to make time all the way. So what she was saying, I mean, we used to have like 12 hours, 14 hours shoot schedules. So sometimes we would reach the hotel at like say 9:30, 10 o'clock in the night, and we have left at 6 o'clock in the morning. So the entire day is gone. No, we hardly had some time. So what I would do is I would reach the hotel early in the morning, around like 4:15, 4:30, wake him up. We do a small session of 40 minutes. That would be bodyweight training and a blend of CrossFit. Okay. And then we would travel to the shooting location, which would be like 1.5 hour journey. And in that, on the way, sir would try to take a small bite to, recover from the training that we've done. Be ready on the shot, always on time. He's always on time. You will never have no year that sir came late, or he's always before time. Very funny incident I would like to quote. So there has been time that we have actually used crane weights, the crane weights that they put in the crane. We've used those weights to, for weight training, because we didn't have the logistics all the time to carry, the equipments, because we were shooting on different places. So it becomes very difficult to, travel with a mobile gym. So whatever we could have, the resources which was available, that's it. And as I said, sometimes I used to feel that, okay, sir, I think we can take a rest today and we can train a little bit tomorrow. He would say, no, Nirmal, no, let me just take 10 minutes rest. I'll be ready. And I used to feel that he's just shot for like 12 hours, with travel, with the Madurai hot weather, everything.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. And, the kind of diet plan I had put him on, we were just going calorie deficit every time. So I know that, how much energy a person would have. But no complaints ever from him. I will tell him this is the plan today. He will finish the entire plan. He will not say, okay, we'll do only 3 variations and we will leave the workout. If we are supposed to do 6 variations, we will do 6 variations. No compromise. I mean, that's what I kept saying, that he's very, very tough. He's very tough.
And what are the few qualities that you have observed in Surya sir, which you feel is very admirable?
See, qualities is something that the person is highly positive. You would never hear one word from him, that is going to make you feel low or going to make you feel negative. When you speak to him, you will always feel that there is a lot of hope in life. There's a lot that we can achieve in life. I have told him a couple of times that you're one boss who never bosses. So that's like one unique quality. He would make you feel a part of his family. And that way, you feel that, okay, someone who's achieved so much, if this is how he treats others, then we should learn, and we should do the same with people whom we are working down. So, that's one superb quality. And then, it just shows that even if you're successful, you still need to work hard. You still need to work hard. You still need to be dedicated, and you need to be honest at the same time. So, all these things, I just keep looking at him because, I have very close access to him. So, I've been lucky, I would say, that I had this opportunity to work with him. So, yeah, it's a blessing. I mean, I just keep saying that it's a blessing to be with him and to see all these things so closely.
And what was the expectation that Sudha ma'am gave in the beginning when she spoke to you? Were there any expectations that she gave? This is what I want. Was it like that?
No, Sudha actually didn't give me like too much of expectation. She was more concerned about the bulk that we carried. Even in the making video, you could see that she was talking about the bulk, because the previous project sir was playing in SPG. So for that, we definitely required a broader shoulder, a heavier shoulder, because sir had a lot of time he's wearing a suit.
Coat and suit,
coat and suit. So in that, you can't have a very lean look. The SPG people are like that, with the bigger mush and all of that. So she was just keen on that Nirmal, I want you to make him lean, make him like I want him to look more sharp, because here it is a different role, and I want his jaw lines and all to be a bit more sharp, and make sure that I don't want anything happening to his face. So all those things And since, as I said, there was no confusion because she was very transparent. She clearly said what I want, and she comes with a very clear plan. She's not the one who will keep changing her mind all the time. What she wants, she knows. She will tell you on day one. You ask her the same thing on day 15, she will tell you the same thing.
Wonderful. Okay.
Yeah.
Very
so
fixed,
she is
focused.
very accurate.
Yeah.
Yeah. She is very accurate. See, all these people are very perfect people. Surya sir also knows what he wants. He is not the one, okay, we'll do 8 or we'll do 9 or we'll do 11. We need 10, we need 10. So, that way it is much easier.
Finally, the look came. What was the reaction on Sudha ma'am's face when she first saw Surya sir? Because we also saw a bit of it from the making video.
That's how she reacted. She was all surprised, to suddenly see him like that. And when sir took off his beard and, became clean shaved and all, and she was stunned. She was like, I'm so happy that, the look that he has right now is exactly what I wanted. And the best part was, as she said in the making video also, that she's seen a lot of weight loss. But then, she has seen that the skin starts sagging and all these things didn't happen. So she was very happy. And, end of the day, I mean, everyone was happy. Even sir was happy with the change. And, it was very exciting for me to see that, okay, whatever I did, it is getting appreciated. And, it's going to help the project some way.
I think that becomes your trophy.
Yeah. I mean, that's more than, for me, if I can contribute even 1% to the success of the project, I think I've done something. So that's all I wanted to do. Somewhere you just need to make sure that I'm adding some value to the project.
Working with Surya sir all this while, what was that one scene or something where you were present which made you awestruck, his performance?
From this particular project, I would say the scene where the flight is taking off and sir has his eyes filled with tears.
Exactly.
That was like, sir's eyes is like something very expressive. Everything comes from there. The power comes from there. I keep saying that you have like wonderful eyes. And the way he pulls it out, all these scenes is like magic. It's just magic. So when I saw it also, I was like, this is like the best. So there, that one scene, and I'm just waiting to, see it on the giant screen, that, just waiting for all of that. So hopefully we all come out of this positively and in a very stronger way. And, it will be great to see the project, come on the big screen.
We're also looking forward to see the film on the big screen. So yeah, with that, we come to the end of the show. Thank you so much for being very sweet and giving us time to talking about all this stuff. Wishing you great luck. Hopefully, we wish to see you more often. And thank you so much for your time.
Thank you so much for having me, and it was absolute pleasure. Thanks to your channel India Glitz, for having me, and hopefully, we'll have more support, more love once the project is released, and looking forward to have everyone in the theater. Thank you so much.
Definitely. Thank you so much.